If you're deciding between Moomoo and Robinhood, here's a quick breakdown of the pros and cons of each platform to help you choose the right fit. Moomoo Pros. Moomoo offers advanced trading tools that are perfect for active traders. You get real-time level 2 market data for free, tons of charting features, and access to global markets like Hong Kong. It's packed with features and feels more professional. Moomoo Cons. It can be overwhelming for beginners. The interface has a steep learning curve, and customer support isn't as fast or friendly as some users expect. Plus, crypto trading isn't always available directly on Moomoo. Robinhood Pros. Robinhood is user friendly and beginner focused. It takes just minutes to set up and start trading. You get commission free stocks, options, and crypto all in one app. It's built for simplicity and quick access. Robinhood cons, advanced traders might find it too basic. The platform lacks deep technical tools and it doesn't offer level 2 data for free. Also, Robinhood's reputation took a hit after the GameStop controversy, which still lingers for some users. Final thoughts, if you're just starting out or you want simplicity and access to crypto, Robinhood is a solid choice. But if you're serious about trading and want more powerful tools with deeper insights, Moomoo is the better pick. If this helped, like and subscribe for more straight to the point finance comparisons. Drop a comment if you want a full walkthrough on either platform.